In this video, you're going to learn two popular methods for machine learning. The first is supervised learning, and the second is unsupervised learning. What does that mean? Supervised learning is where you have both on your training set an input and an output. So let's say you're talking about housing prices, right? And you know the square footage of a house and you know how much it sold for. So if a house was 2,000 square feet and it sold for $350,000, or a home was 2,500 square feet and it sold for $500,000, and you had all these different data points, you could train your machine learning model that way. And then you can map some sort of regression function over top of that to then predict square footage and sales price for homes that you don't know or don't have the input for. That's supervised learning. This is also very popular in the autonomous driving systems that you see, because you need labeled data in order for the autonomous machine learning algorithm to know what a stop sign is or what a pedestrian is. Now, let's go over to the unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is where you don't have those input and output data points. It's unsupervised. So this would be patterns that you would want the machine learning model to recognize that might not be apparent. One of the examples of unsupervised learning that I recently learned about is Google News. So if you go over to Google News clusters together several different stories, news stories. And if you look at those headlines, there are similar elements to those stories in which they're clustered together.